Hi, it's Dawn here at Stickletown. Thank you very much for tuning in. I know I haven't posted a video for a couple of weeks, but there's been a lot going on here and a few things that have, well, they might end up having a bit of an effect on our future here. We shall wait and see. But I'll talk more about that in another video. So yeah, it's been a bit of an unsettling couple of weeks. We've been back through the freezing weather again. You know, there's just been, you know, things happening. So, and I've sort of pulled back a little bit from social media. The sun's setting over there, isn't that lovely? Anyway, onwards and upwards. So yeah, so we had the freezing weather, we've had the mud swamps, we've got a bit of a dry spell now, hopefully for a few weeks. I haven't been swimming for a couple of weeks because there's been such a lot happening and so forth, and Martin's been working away, and yeah, so this is just there's lots of short videos showing just some of the things that have happened over the past fortnight, and next week we'll be back to normal with a normal video. Yeah, haven't got any. There's no food shopping for me to do this week. We're still working through our food supplies. It's nice to actually see the level in the freezers drop. We're still harvesting from the polytunnels. We've got sprouts, Swiss chard, spinach, kale, beetroot. I've just picked a load of beetroot, in fact, for dinner tonight. And yeah, there's leeks out there. You know, we've got lots of canned stuff. We're starting to get through that. I've been sorting through my seed boxes and taking out loads of stuff that we're not going to be growing, and concentrating on the things that we do eat. But I'll go through all that on another video, what we're doing there. What else has been going on? I'm just sort of trying to think. I've been getting ready for workshops. I was off doing a farmer's market the other day. Got another one coming up next weekend. So yeah, so it's a busy time. But anyway, here's a few videos and pictures to show some of the things that have been going on for the past fortnight. So take care, everybody, and I will catch up with you properly end of next week. Good thing about snow is you can see predator footprints, and these ones are around the poultry houses. Now, I don't think you're supposed to be in the middle of the ring feeder, are you? Hey? But you got yourself in there, you're going to have to get yourself out. Okay, more pies have been made with some leftover curry and vegetables, and so Martin will be having those for his lunches. So we're back full on, no waste, using everything. Well, we have windows. That's the frosted one going to the bathroom. And then round here, there we go. These are the kitchen windows. So all the rendering yet has got to be done on the outside, but at least we now have windows. I have a sourdough starter on the go this week, and I'm trying out different ways of using the discard. And this one is a recipe for crumpets, so I've got some sourdough discard crumpets on the go. Right, with today's sourdough discard, I'm doing some little crackers. I'll put a link down below to the website link that I found all the recipes on for the sourdough discard, and I've got some really interesting ones there. And yeah, so I thought maybe little crackers today. And then Martin can have some with his cheese. So the first sheet is already in the oven. This is the second lot. So, and I'm working with a very, very limited kitchen as things are progressing. I'm going to leave them bits bigger. We've got, look, partition walls going up. He's put me the sink unit in. I've got cold running water, I haven't got any hot, and I've got no waste discharge there, so having to carry the bowls of water and washing up stuff around and that. But there we go, it's progress, and the wall starts coming down tomorrow, and the windows will go in later on this week. So, I can't remember if I put salt on them or not. So anyway, so I'm going to get them in the oven. I'll show you them when they come out. There we go, that's the sourdough crackers done. Nice and crispy. So yeah, so that's made with the discarded sourdough. I have found these a bit salty. The recipe said to add salt to the top, and I have found that a bit salty. So, but yep, they're fine.